Welcome to BuyTheCar.com. This is our little corner of the automotive internet, and we brought this auction platform for you. It's born out of our decades of experience buying, building, selling, and giving away the best RestoMods on the planet at RestoMods.com. As a buyer, we wanted to provide you only the best, so you can walk through with confidence knowing that the builds that you're seeing have all been vetted by our team and are exactly what you're interested in seeing. As a seller, we want you to know that all the buyers in front of your car are all people that are interested in the things that you're interested in. They're gonna appreciate all the blood, sweat, and tears and effort that you put into your build and help you maximize the value. We encourage you guys to interact in the comments so that buyers that have questions are getting them answered by the seller. Every listing on the site is also reviewed by our on-site mechanics that are checking everything out. They're gonna offer you their takes on what they think are the coolest things about this car, things you might wanna watch out for, and all the intricacies of every particular build so that you can bid with confidence on BuyTheCar.com. Join the community here, check out all these listings. You might just find your dream car, or if it's time to let one go, our white glove agents are standing by to help you from, hey, I'm thinking about selling this car, to maximizing the value that you're gonna get out of it at the finish line. So check it out. It's supposed to be fun. It's like a car show. Walk the car corral, kick the tires. You might just find your dream car, and don't pass up that moment because life is too short. Sometimes it's time to just buy the car.